students, welcome. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and welcome back to another Side Blooms. And this time we're doing blues and greens. So we have Deco Art Metallic Blue, Pebeo Green Blue, Pebeo Gold, and Amsterdam Brilliant Green. So let's make something pretty. Okay, my pillow paint is Glidden's Essentials, because I can't get the PPG anymore. Though I do think they have a PPG, not a PPG, but something similar. I haven't gotten it yet from Home Depot. Okie doke. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with my Deco Art Metallic Blue. It's gonna go not in the middle, just a little bit down. And then Pebeo Green Blue. Let's see. Let's use Pebeo Gold. Just a little bit there. All right. Now, once again, we'll do our Pebeo here. And you know what? I think I'm going to use a darker. Let me get a darker green for the stem. Okay, I have a custom green here that we'll use. All right, so our cell activator will be Amsterdam black oxide black, using Australian Floetrol. Let's put it here. Okay, here we go. All right. Let me let the center is divoted down. Before I want to move it, I need to let it kind of come up. In the meantime, I'm going to try to blow this a little bit more. All right, there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, okay. So now let's do some skewer work. That metallic blue, I really like it. Even in other paintings I've done, I really like it. All right. all the gold seems to be up here and all the blue down here, but hey, that's okay. So I'm going to spin this out. My bottle's a little bit.
Oh, Mommy?
Yeah, honey,
What are you doing?
I'm painting.
Oh, you're painting?
Yeah.
You're painting. I never done that before.
Okay, I'm gonna spin it out now. Stay back, honey. You don't have your painting clothes on. Ooh, look at that.
Can I see? Is it a flower?
It's a side flower.
I love flowers. Next time, can I do a flower? Try doing a flower?
Yes,
Yeah. Are you videoing?
I am.
Doesn't look like you're talking.
It's because I'm concentrating.
Oh!
And I'm listening to you talk. Ooh, that's pretty.
Okay, now you were talking. There's one space.
You saw it. She saw the bubble, right? Hand me the skewer.
What boat?
Bubble. Is that what you were talking
No,
about?
I was talking about this.
Oh, okay. Oh, we didn't get the corners off yet. I have to spin more. Oh, I'm going to spin some of that pretty stuff off then. Oh, excuse you.
What's this?
A little bit more.
What?
Shh. Going over there.
What?
That's
What?
pretty. That's really pretty. Yep, all the ends.
I'm with Mommy.
That's really pretty. Isn't that pretty, Lyra?
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, my friends, I will get you down for a close-up. And I wish you, what do I wish everybody? God's what?
Paintboard.
Not God's paper, God's blessing. All right, my friends, I'll see you in the next video.